barbecue.
Welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, and I am here to do some grilling with you today. Yeah, so we're gonna do something kind of like we did last week with the pizza flour, except this time we're gonna make pizza roll-ups. I'm kind of changing how I wanted to do it. And anyway, let's just cut the chat and let's just get to cooking. How about that? I got a couple of steaks to go on for dinner. I'll make these pizza roll-ups for the kids. And anyway, let's just get to cooking. All right, we're gonna start with some of these sweet Hawaiian Pillsbury crescent rolls. Here, I got one off. Do the scary part. Ready? Scary part. Nope. 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 Uh-oh. Oh God, it scared me.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, and it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, 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 it ain't. You've got me all in my feelings, like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, ain't right, right, ain't right. Oh no, it ain't right, 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 it ain't right, 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 it ain't right. Oh no. You're calling my phone, but I'm all alone, staying faithful, and I'll never know when you're coming back around. When you're coming back, it ain't right, 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 it ain't.
All right, so we got them all rolled up. Now, I know the downfall of this is that cheese is going to melt out, so I was trying to like cap the ends of it there. But yeah, it is what it is. So we're going to top them. Just a little bit more Italian seasoning. Just a little touch of it. Not too much. Italian seasoning is kind of strong, so we're just going to touch them. And then we're going to top it off with just a little bit more Parmesan. All right, there we go. Now let's go put it on. You ready, Jaxie? Whew, we got that sucker rolling hot. Okay, turn it down a little bit. All right, these suckers are gonna cook pretty hot and fast. We got it up pretty high. We're gonna stick those on. Now we're gonna go get our grill spray. We're gonna spray this down, then we're gonna put some steaks on for dinner. All right, here we go. We're gonna throw these steaks on for dinner. These little center cut sirloins wrapped in bacon. There we go. Check that out. We got that sucker screaming. Take one of these and put one here. Just like that. One there. Okay, shut her down.
The other one had a flower on it.
Do what?
The other one had a flower.
Had a flower on it?
Yeah.
Okay. These are done. Look at that. Oh, I got a bunch of cheese coming out. That's what I was kind of hoping didn't happen, but it looks like it did. That's okay. Let's get them out of here. Just gonna let them cool off a little. Alright, well, my wax paper kind of sucked as wax paper because it's not letting me peel this off of there. Plus, they're kind of real light and flaky and fluffy that they're really going to be a pain in the butt. So, to take a good picture, I'm just going to end up ruining it. So, anyway, maybe I need some different wax paper. I don't know. But that's it. They're done, man. Look at that thing. It's just, oh man, look at the ooey gooiness coming out of there. All right, guys, that is it for these. I'm gonna go ahead and give these to the kids, and we'll get them fed. And I think I'm gonna eat one too. So let's go do that. All right, guys, that is it for me. That is it for this week's video. I apologize. It's probably not gonna be the best video I've ever made, which seems like that's how most of my last ones have been. But you know, life goes on. So hopefully on the next one we'll do better. But we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at NewbieQ2020. We'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And I'm going to go eat. So, peace out.